Before AI, it was the kind of thing where we would take 3 months to prep for a board meeting. And typically what I do is I quarantine off every afternoon. So every one of my afternoons, Monday through Friday from 1 to 5 is board prep. And that is really how I spend my days. And so it's a lot of time that I have to give to preparing those materials and putting together the agendas and then making sure the minutes are appropriate and making sure all of the right things are in the minutes and that they follow parliamentary procedure the way they're supposed to. And it's a lot of work. I think that the AI suite has definitely provided our board members with the ability to really focus on what's important to them in the board books, and so they've been able to go and using kind of the executive summary and the synopsis that the AI provides to them to go to the areas that they care the most about. And I have noticed that they are talking a whole lot more in board meetings, asking a lot more questions, and you can tell by the depth of their questions that they really have gotten into the materials in a way that I did not see them doing before.